everyone, hello my friends, how are you? I hope you're fine. Welcome again to my channel, Learning English with Melek. In this video, we'll talk about the difference between two confusing verbs are, hope and wish. So, almost of students don't know how to use these two confusing verbs properly and correctly in a phrase. So, after we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, notifications, like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget also other comment to encourage me to do other new videos. So now, let's begin. We'll start by the verb hope. Hope has three definitions. The first definition is hope is when you feel like good things could happen. It's believing that something you want might come true. If you want to have something come true in the future, you can use the verb hope. And hope that means you dream. If you are a dreamer, we can use hope to express it. The second definition is it's often about believing that something good could happen. Feeling like there is a good chance of a positive outcome. I will give you an information. Hope it's specifically used for positive views in the future. If you are seeing the future by the positive and good way, you use the verb hope. And last definition, hope is often related to confidence and a positive view about the future. How I told you at the last time, so it's if you see the future by a positive way, a positive view, a beautiful view, we can use the verb hope. But if you see it by the bad way or also the good way, but I think that will be happening anymore, we use the verb wish. Now we'll move to the verb wish. Wish has four definitions. The first definition is wish often means wanting something. So if you want something that can't be happening, we use the verb wish to express it. Even if it is something that might not really happen. You know that this thing can't be happening and it's not really happening anymore. But you want it and you are waiting all your life to be existed. The second definition is wishes can sometimes be less active than hope and might not have the feeling that what's wanted will really come true. This is the first part of the phrase that means wishes can sometimes be less active than hope. That means hoping is more motivated, more active. You are waiting, but in less of your waiting, you have a result. You have motivation. We have something that will be exist. By which there is any motivation because you are already waiting all your life. Then we have any result. There are any things that you want. The third definition is wishes can be things that might really happen or just things we imagine. If we are imagining something that it's impossible to happen, we use the verb wish to express it. Clear? Now the last one is people can make wishes without always thinking they will happen. They just wish all the time, but they are already never and ever thinking that this thing will be happening in the future. Now I'll move specifically in the verb wish when we can use it in the conjugation time. Present tense, perfect tense, past tense, and future tense. We will start by the present tense. Present tense when expressing a wish about the present. You commonly use the past tense after wish. This is because you are expressing a desire for something that is not currently true. I hope that you understand this part of the present tense. So, present tense is used with wish if something can be true, but it makes have all the time. You will be patient. For example, I wish that I speak Japanese fluently. I just speak a little bit Japanese, but I wish that I speak Japanese fluently because I can't speak Japanese fluently in 1 minute or 10 minutes. I must have a whole day here to learn Japanese. For example, I wish I were taller. So here, where in the past tense, I told you I must have the past tense after the verb wish. Okay? And where is the past tense of the verb to be? Now we'll move at the past tense. It's when expressing a wish about the past, you typically use the past perfect tense after wish. This indicates a desire for something to have been different in the past. For example, something that you are already did it and you are waiting from the result now in the present. So we call all this operation the present perfect. For example, I wish I had studied more for the exam. So I didn't study more for the exam. So I know that I have a bad grade, but I wish that I have a good grade. Here, has studied is the past perfect tense of to study. Clear? Now I'll move and the last one is the future tense with wish. When expressing a wish about the future, you typically use would or could to express it, plus the base form of the verb after wish. This indicates a desire for something to happen differently in the future. So if you want to have something in the future, you can use wish to express it. For example, I wish I could visit Japan next year. For example, you have a lot of work, so you can't go to Japan. So you just say, I wish I could visit Japan next year. Other information. If you want to know if this phrase is in the wish word, in the wish way, plus a future tense, you can see would or could in the phrase. Here, could visit indicates a desire for a future possibility. Thank you for watching. I hope to understand this video so well. If you didn't understand, just repeat it carefully and note all of this information in your notebook and it'll be perfect in English. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn notifications, like this video and share it with your friends. Goodbye, see you next time in next video.